Free woodworking plans at myoutdoorplans.com.
Hello everyone, I'm Avidu from myoutdoorplans.com. Welcome back to the channel. Today I've got a fantastic project for you, a double chair bench with a built-in table. This is a perfect addition to any porch, patio, or backyard, and it's a great way to enjoy some outdoor time with a friend or loved one. The estimated total cost for this double chair bench with table project is around $100, depending on the type of wood and hardware you choose. You can expect to complete the build in about 4 to 6 hours, making it a perfect weekend DIY project. Before we dive into the 3D view of the project, don't forget you can find the full plans with detailed dimensions, cut lists, and shopping lists over on my blog at myoutdoorplans.com. Trust me, these plans will make your build go super smoothly and save you a ton of time. Plus, I've included some handy tips and tricks to help you along the way. For this project, you'll need some basic tools like a miter saw, a drill, and a pocket hole jig. Additionally, having a sander and some clamps will make the assembly process a lot easier and ensure a professional finish. Alright, let's jump right into it. First up, we're gonna start by cutting all of our pieces. We'll need some sturdy wood. I'm using cedar for this project because it's durable and great for outdoor furniture. We'll be cutting the legs, supports, seat slats, and the tabletop. Now that we have everything cut, it's time to start assembling. We'll begin with the frame. You want to make sure everything is square, so grab your clamps and get those joints nice and tight. Once you're happy with the alignment, secure them with 3.5-inch screws. This is a large bench, so a sturdy frame is compulsory. To attach the 2x4 legs to the frame, align each leg with the corners of the frame, ensuring they are square, then secure them in place using wood screws, making sure to pre-drill pilot holes to prevent the wood from splitting. Next, we're moving on to the seat slats. These will be laid across the supports. Make sure they're evenly spaced and then screw them in place. With the seats done, we're ready to tackle the backrests. Start by attaching the supports to the seat frame with screws, then attach the slats equally spaced. The lean-to for the bench is 15 degrees. The table is going to be the centerpiece, literally. We'll build the frame with 2x4s and then attach the 1x6 tabletop slats using some screws. Countersink the head of the screws. This gives it a clean look without any visible joints on the surface. Now, for some finishing touches, give everything a good sanding to smooth out any rough edges. You can also apply a finish of your choice. If you liked this project, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe for more DIY projects. Check out tons of furniture plans on my blog, myoutdoorplans.com. Until next time, build your outdoor world.
For more DIY videos, subscribe, comment, and click the like button. Don't forget to hit the bell.